Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Collisions are tricky, but we will solve this truck and car problem fast. Let's analyze momentum transfer to find the correct answer now. First, consider the forces during the impact. According to Newton's third law, the truck exerts a force on the car that is exactly equal and opposite to the car's force. Next, notice that these interaction forces act for the exact same amount of time. This means the impulse delivered to the car must be equal and opposite to the truck's impulse. Since impulse equals the change in momentum, the truck's loss must equal the car's gain. This makes option A our winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush and trust given facts to check your steps.